Hello guys, karibuni sana at Kanini Flavors YouTube channel where we make amazing recipes, most delicious, very yummy recipes using the ingredients in your kitchen. They are the simplest yet they have the best results. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. Consider subscribing, liking, sharing and also commenting. We like visitors, so feel free to also ask something and also watch the videos below in my YouTube channel. I've made different recipes of different types of food, and on this episode we are making amazing mandazis. Very sweet. It's a snack that you can take during the day for your breakfast. I've also done other recipes on mandazis. This one is special. I'll pin the link for the other recipes that you may have a look and also compare which one will you manage to cook and which one can you not afford to cook on, or which one you like the most. So let's start with the video. We have our warm water, 350 ml. Yes, remember it's warm. We have some flour, we have some oil because you're frying our mandazis, some baking powder, salt, we need a pinch, sugar, 150 grams of sugar, but you're not limited. As long as you want your mandazis to be sweeter, you can add more, ama you kupunguza. 1 egg, 2 grams of margarine. You can also use butter if you have, lemon juice and some lemon zest. Yes, we'll start. I'll start with my warm water. Come in with my zest and juice. Then stir. Something about lemon, they make your mandazis extra sweeter, extra tastier. Come in with my Prestige. Look like this. Then my egg, continue stirring. I like my recipes ikiwa na ndimu. I really like lemon. Kama ingewezekana pia ugali I put some lemon, I'll be doing that, but I really like lemon. There is that taste and it's natural, you know. I then come in with my salt. We need a pinch. My sugar. Unaweza eka as much as you want to taste, depending on how you like the sweetness in mandazi. The next thing is our baking powder. I'll need 1 tablespoon and 3/4. As I'm stirring, I add my flour while sieving it. This ensures that your dough is extra smooth. Mix them. It's how it looks like. The essence of the butter, sorry I didn't tell you, it makes your mandazi softer. Make your dough such that it's not sticking in your hands. Finally, here is our dough. It's not sticking in my hands. I'll just add some oil. After helps to prevent the dough from being hard. Hinge is kauke. Yes. Kwa sababu when you allow your dough to rest, kuna venye you pata some air inakauka nje. So this will prevent it from that. It's very ready. Since it's ready, I'll allow it to rest for 1 hour. You can allow your dough to rest between 30 to 1 hour, yes, to even 1 hour and a half for amazing results. Let's meet after 1 hour. Here is after 1 hour. Our dough has rested and proved it's very soft. As you can see, it's not sticking in my hands. So I'll go to the next step where we are dividing the dough. Yes, you divide it into equal portions, your preferred amount of dough you want. Yes, amount of grams you need. But if you are up to this point and you've not subscribed, kindly do so. I really appreciate. And also comment positively. Yes, please. So you make them into equal balls. Your preferred size, amount of dough you want into your balls. They are already here ready. So the next step after preparing them is rolling them. I'll roll them out. Here they are. You can apply some flour or oil. This ensures that the dough does not stick, and then you divide them into equal partitions, your preferred one. Our oil, I've already set it in my sufuria. Let me test it to see whether it's hot. Yes, it's already hot. I'll come with my mandazis. As much as your sufuria can hold. By the way, before you put your mandazis, ensure your oil is well cooked. You won't have to struggle cooking. Yes, mine are cooking and proofing. At this point, I turn them to ensure that the oil cooks evenly. Yes. And then you turn them to your preferred color, and also venye unapenda zikiwa zimeiva, you ensure that zimeiva vizuri properly, isikusumbue. Yes, mine are ready like that. I like them this way. This is after 1 minute or so of cooking. You can allow them to cook if you like them darker to a second set. I'm putting it after this. Yes, you be careful as you put. The oil can really burn you. Be careful as you put, because it's already hot. We don't want to cook your hand and the mandazis. Yes. Give them an allowance to cook. You space them out. and turn them as they cook for uniformity. And to our last set of mandazis. Here they are cooking. You're cooking them at around 30 to 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Yes, and here they are, very ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll follow all the steps, and your mandazis will be the sweetest. Thank you for also commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Also try the other recipes below. I know you like them. I'll also pin the other recipes for mandazis. They are below. Yes, till next time. Bye.